Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso machines. Today we're testing this Jura Impressa E8 and let's go ahead and make a shot. This glass might be a little too small. So we have a nice shot of espresso. Let's test the steam. Gotta press the steam button. Each one of these Juras works a little differently, and sometimes I forget. The water just leaked off the tray. Alright, so the steam's ready. We get nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Thank you.